Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
We have more extreme fire weather in the forecast for today because we're going to have more lightning and the fuels are still very dry because it's been so hot out there. Now, here's a little bit of good news with the situation we're seeing down in Siskiyou County, and it's that, well, we do have a little bit of rain moving through Siskiyou County this morning. It's very light, but at least it's something, right? And unfortunately, well, good news, bad news. Good news, we're maybe expecting a little bit more in the way of rain for today, but the bad news is that we're expecting more in the way of lightning. So putting this into motion, and as we get to the peak of daytime heating once again, 4, 5, 6 p.m., that's when we're expecting some more showers and thunderstorms to pop up on the map. Some more lightning, which means that more fires could start. But this time, instead of the showers and thunderstorms going by the wayside once the sun goes down, they're actually going to continue overnight and right into Thursday morning. And then it's looking like the showers and thunderstorms could be a little bit more widespread as we head into Thursday. Now, this is very encouraging because the thunderstorms look even wetter for Thursday. So yes, we'll still be contending with some lightning chances, but at the very least, more rain is going to be in the forecast. And that is definitely going to help out with the overall fire situation. And then we could have even some more thunderstorms as we head into Friday and beyond. So for today, it's going to be another very hot one out there today. I don't want to undersell the heat. I know that a lot of the focus is going to, some of the new fires that started in Siskiyou County. But, oh, by the way, it's still going to be very hot today. We could be upwards of 110 for Grants Pass, pretty close to that for Medford, easily into the triple digits for the valleys of Siskiyou County, and then we'll be in the mid-90s to the east of the Cascades. And of course, we'll have some reductions in air quality today, specifically for those areas immediately downwind of some of the fires, especially some of the newer fires. And then our smoke model is suggesting that some very thick smoke could pour into Klamath and Lake counties overnight, once again due to the Bedrock fire and due to the Lookout fire. Other than that, we could have just a few showers lingering overnight and then into Thursday morning as our shower and thunderstorm threat continues. And look how balmy it's going to be again overnight as we'll struggle to make it out of the 70s within our west side valleys. The heat advisory and the excessive heat warning, both of those are set to expire at 11 p.m. on Thursday, which means that we're starting to get on the tail end of this heat wave, but still very hot for today and tomorrow, and then looking much more average as we head into the weekend and into next week. And thunderstorm chances do go down slightly into next week. Still a lot up in the air when it comes to the thunderstorm forecast for next week, but we'll continue to watch it very closely. I think when you factor in some of the rain we'll have, when you factor in some of the cooler temperatures, I think we're starting to feel a lot more confident that the fire weather impacts next week will certainly be toned down compared to this week. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll have a chance for showers over the next few days, and then it's looking like we'll be a little bit drier for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and definitely a lot cooler compared to what we're going to have for inland spots, especially over the next couple of days. Easily getting into the triple digits once again for the valleys of Siskiyou County, and then for the basin will be, of course, cooler compared to our valleys, but still hot. We'll be in the mid-90s, and we will have several chances for showers and thunderstorms, especially over the next few days. We'll track the same thing for the mountains, where we had a lot of lightning yesterday, and it's looking like we lucked out when it came to fire starting up in some of the higher terrain, at least for the Cascades. The Siskiyou's not as lucky. And then for the Rogue Valley, very hot today, tracking that chance for thunderstorms and, of course, more extreme fire weather impacts.